Hey guys, so today we're gonna change out this steering wheel. It's already uh, the leather is already bad and someone taped it over, and we have another sport steering wheel that we're gonna put in instead. But first we gotta remove the negative lead on the battery. But first you want to make sure that your steering wheel is straight. So the new one goes right on. Alright. Then we can disconnect the battery. So first I'm gonna disconnect the negative on the battery. And then we wait. So now that we have waited for around 10 minutes, it's okay to start taking the air pack out of the steering wheel. So with this non-sport wheel, you see holes like this on each side, and you need to put a screwdriver up inside. Maybe I need a smaller one, but it's pushing up. Yeah, I probably need a smaller one. Be right back. There we go. Popped out one side, and then we do the other one. So you kind of push upwards and then to the side to get the clip. And here we are. So this is a dual stage airbag. So we disconnect the airbag from inside there. Like so. After loosening up this connector here, we can go ahead and loosen this one. It's a 16 millimeter, so I'm gonna get the tool for that. So here we go. You can try to hold the steering wheel with your legs. There we go, loosened up. And we take it out. There we go. So now we want the steering wheel to be pretty straight before we pull it out. So we can see the bottom is marked there in green. And let's see the new steering wheel. The new steering wheel has also a mark down there. It's like a different teeth. It's not cut. It's making sure that you don't put it wrong on. So that's good. So we'll just pull this one off, just like that, and put the new sports steering wheel on, just like that. Then we have the new sport steering wheel. So let's take the airbag out of that before we go further. But that's also some holes here to push through. There we go. Now we have to watch the connections, since this connector here is connected to the ground in the steering wheel as well, so I'm gonna remove the connectors from the airbag before I move forward. There we go. And we put it to the side, and now we can put this on, and the markings down there fit as supposed to, so I can now put the bolt back in. The video stopped, but I just connected the connectors to the clock ring, and then I connected the connectors to the airbag, and then it's just clicked in. And now this is how it looks. Much better. That's an upgrade. So now we can reconnect the battery. And we're ready to go. Put the panels back in. Without the screwdriver behind. And this panel. There we go. And you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video.